What are you doing? What's your project for today?
Getting rid of this old fridge. I'm going to put in, this is an old 3-way fridge, 12 volt, 120 volt propane, but it's the type of fridge that uses the heater thing in the back, and I'm going to replace it with an actual small 12 volt compressor that draws much less amperage and has a freezer option, uses much less power, and should be better all around. So just figure out how to get this thing out. I'm gonna, for now, probably put the cooler right there and plug it in. What I want to do is put a roller so the thing rolls out. I might do it today. We'll see how much time.
Mommy.
Yay, I know. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Just enough. Got our plenty of room for all sorts of goodies.